I've been trading options for 1 year now, and this is the result. I've made $21,000. I started off with 14,000, almost 15, and I've added more money into it, and now we're at 21,000 in total profits. The premium for 2020 in June, I started at 26, and so it's for 6 months. I made $1,600, and now from January of 2021 till we are today, in June and July, I made $11,800. My goal is to hit 25. So here on the left, we have the expiration dates, the option, if I sold a put, sold a call, the ticker, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, AMD, the strike price, the premium that I made, and if it expired or executed. Every single green is 1 week. This is how much I made in premiums. I lost $126 because I decided to cancel for some reason, but ended up paying off later, I guess. $3, 49, 80, 200. And then right around here, I noticed that I can make a lot more money with the stocks that I had in um, normal stuff like Microsoft, Facebook, Apple. With $14,000, I made a return of 1,700 in about a year, which, if you do the math, it's about what an ETF makes. So I decided to see if I can make more than that in less than that time, in half that time, to see if it was worth it. And I did. I started doing all of this to see how much it would do with $14,000, and I broke it in 2 months. So my goal was in 6 months. I broke it in two. So I definitely started doing options a lot more heavily. Started putting a lot more money towards that instead of normal stocks. I started making a lot more money. $250, 270, 270. This every single week. 230, 350, 530, 400, 1,000, 500, 500. So you can see it started paying off pretty well. Some weeks I didn't trade just because I didn't like the way the stock market was. Other weeks I did go in heavy, 1,400. As you can see, the premiums were pretty big. This is most likely because of earnings. So as you can see, this was in April. So yeah, quarter one earnings, $900. They executed. I bought them again. I sold a put and it executed. As you can see, I sold them again at a profit. $200 difference. Kept making money off of the premiums. So after 1 year of trading, there's exactly 1 year from June 27th to June 25th. Total premiums 13,000, capital 5,000. Total profits 18K, so that's really good. I like that. I started off with 14. That's what I told you guys. 14 is what I started off with, and right now I'm trading a lot more than whatever the sum of this is, which is about 35. Um, it's because I've been adding my own money into this as well, and so now I'm trading with a lot more than that. So we go back to the 1 year. As you can see here, so we just had AMD execute at 85, made a premium of almost $1,000, and there's all the collateral that I have. So this takes all the trades that I did for the week, and I multiply it times 100 to get the collateral. Then I took away what I did for Neo because I canceled Neo here for $11, and then I did another trade down here. So I'm using the same collateral over there. So $95,000 is how much I'm trading with, and I made $985. And that's really good because my goal is to hit a 1% return every single week. And so this was last week, 7-2. And this upcoming week, these are my trades for this week. They're expiring on Friday, July 9th. If you add the collateral, again, just this multiplied times 100, I'm trading with $93,550. And I made a premium of $958. 1% of this is $935. So I'm, breaking it just a little bit over, but it's basically 1% return, which is what I want to hit, and it's my goal from now on. As you can see, when I started, I was making, pretty, not 1%. I was making pretty low premiums. I was starting off, and after 1 year, um, I think I've learned a lot more, and I've been doing a lot better in terms of trades. And the 1%, I think, is a pretty safe return. it's kind of up there because if you do keep it up for 1 year, it's a 52% return, while a normal ETF is about 8 to 12. But even if you don't hit 1% every single week, as long as I hit over 40, I think I'll be fine. So as you can see, these are all the trades for the week. If we go to my portfolio, we're at 122,000, basically 123. Lost a little bit today, I think, because of Tesla. Tesla came down quite a bit, so almost 2 grand there. And these are all my trades. If you go to total return, somewhere in the positive, somewhere in the negative. It really doesn't matter. Looks like the only one that stands out is TNA at $94 put, which means that since it's at 92, it's already considered in the money because today it dropped 5%. No worries, it was at 97 and then it dropped to 92. This doesn't really matter until Friday, where the $94 put will most likely execute. Um, but if it does, then I'll just sell a call, right? Because it's a real strategy. All right. Well, thanks for watching.